Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by converting the photo into a smart object and duplicating the background so edits stay non-destructive. Once done, apply a curves adjustment and pull midtones down to form a believable night base. This darkening establishes contrast, so highlights will read as artificial light later. Make sure to set the image resolution and color profile for your output. Then mask the curves selectively on the sky and key subjects to preserve outline detail while turning the scene toward night. Next, you shift hues and place lights. Apply a gradient map from deep blue to indigo and reduce opacity, or switch blending to soft light to introduce cool night tones while keeping texture. Then create a new layer for artificial lights. Pick warm yellow, paint over lamps, windows, and streetlights, set layer to screen, and blur to simulate glow. This provides directional contrast. Also desaturate foliage and adjust selective saturation, so daytime greens don't read as midday vibrance. To finish, add grain and a gentle vignette to blend elements and make the exposure cohesive. These small textures sell the effect. Use a 50% gray layer in overlay mode and paint with dodge and burn to refine light falloff and bring attention to focal points. Finally, flatten a donation copy for export, but keep the smart object version. If you see banding or harsh color shifts, convert the file to 16-bit, reapply subtle adjustments, and reduce extreme saturation to restore smooth gradients.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.